It is used to connect machine and output PLT CAD files. Left-click to select machine type. Select the type according to the brand. Left-click to set the page size. It is 50 mm wider than the marker. This is length. Set the length to be longer. Left-click it. Left-click this icon to set the machine working folder. Software will auto-send the machine file to this folder. Set the scale here. Set the printing direction. Tick it. The file will cutting. Don't have tick. The file don't have cutting. Left-click it to set the piece in for. Such words as these on the piece. Left-click. Choose options to show. Select plotter will save PLT files. Select cutter will save cut files. Click OK will save file to this folder. Ticket can select folder to save the file. Click OK Finish. Thanks for watching.